I winked the right eye that time. Hey, hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Erica McKenzie here, and this week on Mirror Messages, 2020 is all about that 2020 vision. I've been saying it wrong this whole time. I've been calling it a different brush this whole time. The palette that I'm going into today, it is the Amrezy palette. I'm going to start with the Sigma E25, and I am going to go into Simsa, which is this shade right here. Well, there you go. I'm going to start by applying this just under my transition shade. I'm going to bring it over here in the outer corner. I'm going to pack it down and sweep it over at the same design. I'm going to also turn it off to the side just to assist in blending it out. And while I am applying this into my inner corner, let's get into the mirror message. So I just want to let you know that it is time to stop asking if. If is not in your vocabulary anymore. You don't want to know if you can do something. You don't want to know if you can accomplish whatever goal it is you're trying to accomplish. If is a thing of the past. How am I going to start this business? How am I going to lose this weight? How am I going to get this promotion? How am I going to elevate myself? Not if, how. Point blank in the period. Ain't no if, ands, and buts about it. We damn sure don't have time for that in 2020. Like, 2020 is all about that 2020 vision. And in 2020, if is just not, no, we're not iffy. Okay? Alright, so now I'm going to go into, I'm actually going to blend New Yorker. I don't think I'm saying it right. I'm going to blend New Yorker and OG together. I'm going in with my Makeup Shack T79. And I've already used the E25 to assist me in blending everything out. But now we're going to go in and we're going to buff it on out. We're going to, we're going to take it the rest of the way. What I just did is an example as to why they say things like build it up a little bit at a time, because even though like I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna blend and it's okay, I don't have a lot of wiggle room to build Simsa back up because I applied so much product. But it's okay, like, because I'm gonna make it right or whatever. This one is up a little bit higher than that one. And I'm not even finna sit here and play with it because I'll mess it all the way up. But I'm flat. Alright, so I'm going into Cupcake. And I'm going to start with Cupcake or whatever. Start with Cupcake. And I am going to use that for the inner portion of the lid. I'm going to lay it down. Ooh, Cupcake, I see you. Mind you, I have not used any Fix Plus or anything like that. Number one, because, well, number one is all I need. I know that ABH shadows are going to be pigmented, and I know how their shimmers perform, and I know I don't need it. Alright, then I'm going to turn, no I'm not. Then I'm going to go in with my Makeup Shack. Wait, this is a T79, so what's this? Oh my god, y'all. Alright. So the brush that I love so much, the blending brush that I love, that I rave about in all my videos, the number is the Makeup Shack T70. I've been saying it wrong this whole time. This is the Makeup Shack T79. I'm going to use the Makeup Shack T79 to go into Borb. And I'm going to put Borb on the center of my lid. Now, I'm not going to front. I've been playing with Barb already. Barb is the most beautiful, gorgeous, freaking shade. I love this shade. me and this shade go together. I'm gonna flip the brush back and forth. I'm gonna take a little bit of Cupcake. I'm just gonna make sure they're blending well together, they're meshing well. Now I'm gonna wipe my brush off. Y'all not seeing it, but I'm wiping my brush off so that I can go into Rizzy. I just could not go into the Amrezy palette and not go into Rizzy. Like, the disrespect of like using her palette and not even using the shade she named after herself is like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. And I'm putting this on the outer corner. And I'm blending it up into Word. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Sigma E25. Going in with Sansa. I keep wanting to call it Sansa. I keep wanting to call it Sansa. All right, and I am just going to bring this shade back over here a little bit in the outer corner. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came with the palette, and I'm gonna go into BK just a little bit, tapping off the excess, and I'm going to use BK in the like outer. I'm gonna like literally tap it on first, because you know how I had like put so much product on before and I couldn't fix it. Well, I fixed it, but I didn't have to go through all of that. Yeah, I don't want to make that mistake with BK, especially since it's like a black. So we're not doing that. We're gonna take it easy. Take it easy. I'm going in with the Sigma E25. I'm gonna pick up some Samsa, and I'm gonna blend this upward, because I really just want it like literally in the outer V. I don't want it all the way in the cut. And I'm also doing this with like a light hand, because I don't want this black to get like, you know, out of control. I don't want to get OC with BK. I'm also going to go in with my Morphe JH40. And I'm going to go ahead and bring this on my lower lash line, just on the outside. Just wanted to put that out there before I go hit this base and these lashes on y'all, so you know what time it is. Ooh, Rihanna. Ooh, Rihanna be, ooh, chills running through my body. The Amrezy palette, I've said about the Jackie palette, I've said about other ABH palettes, it's not that much different from an ABH palette. With their products, you are going to get colors that are extremely pigmented. You are going to get colors that play very well with one another. That's what you're going to get. I love the range of the palette. I love the colors of the palette. This Barb, let me explain something to you. I didn't even know that I was looking for a favorite eyeshadow shade. The way I feel about this color, I love it. I'm like, I even feel like you would even be able to use it. Ooh, I just looked down in the mirror at this look. Yeah. I even feel like you would be able to use it as like a highlighter. I want to thank you all so much for spending your time here with me. You could be anywhere else, but you be here with me, getting this marriage, getting this message, and getting this beat, and I appreciate it. I'm not gonna make it long and drawn out. I'm gonna let you get back to your day. I'm gonna get back to listen to T.I.'s podcast, and then I'm gonna call some friends and we're gonna talk about it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna also get back to finishing the Aaron Hernandez documentary on Netflix. You got stuff to do, I got stuff I'm gonna do, because I did what I had to do today. So yeah, until next time, beauties.